Australia, you're being charged for insurance fees you didn't even know existed, and they're draining your wallet faster than a leaky tap. These sneaky charges hide inside your premium, slip into your super, and cling to your policies without warning. Most Aussies don't notice them for years, because they're designed to stay invisible, and by the time you find out, thousands have already vanished. Insurance companies rely on one simple trick: confusion. They keep things complex so you don't ask questions, and they bury fees where you'll never look. Tiny numbers scattered through massive documents quietly stack up, and that confusion becomes their biggest profit machine. One of the biggest hidden hits is the so-called admin fee, a charge that doesn't actually administer much at all. You pay it even if you never call, never claim, and never ask for help. It's just a built-in money tap for the insurer, and most Aussies accept it because the word looks harmless. Inside your super, there's another silent killer: insurance you never asked for. Life, TPD, and income protection quietly eat your balance month after month. If you've got multiple super accounts, you're paying twice without realizing, and these deductions can drain thousands over the years. Another sneaky one is the renewal fee, which is basically them charging you for doing nothing. All they do is continue your policy, yet they bill you like it took a whole team to press a button. The fee hides inside your premium so you don't notice, and over a decade it becomes serious money lost. Super funds also smack Aussies with low balance fees when savings drop too low. It punishes you at the exact moment you can least afford it. Many people's small super accounts get wiped out entirely because of this one rule, and most never realize until the balance hits zero. Insurers also quietly charge extra just based on your postcode. Even if your home is perfectly safe, they might add a risk loading simply because of your suburb. These charges can stack into the hundreds or thousands each year, and they're hidden inside your normal premium increase. Some companies even charge a paper statement fee, which is paying for the privilege of receiving mail. You never asked for it, yet it shows up anyway. It's one of the most ridiculous fees in the industry, and millions still pay it without realizing. Health insurance is filled with gap fees, the unexpected bills after surgery or specialist visits. You pay a premium expecting full cover, but they only cover part of the cost. The rest is quietly dumped onto you, and the system is designed to keep you confused. Some insurers even charge a claim processing fee, which is shocking when you're already stressed. You pay them to check if they'll pay you. It feels backwards and unfair, and yet it's completely legal. Broker fees are another hidden trap, even if the broker swears their service is free. Many slip a fee into your invoice or fold it into your premium. Aussies rarely notice because the wording looks innocent, but it's extra money straight into the broker's pocket. Car insurance brings its own trick with adjustment fees. Changing your car, moving house, or updating details can trigger extra charges. You're paying them to update information that makes their job easier, and it's one of the easiest fees to miss. Some policies even charge a cooling off adjustment when you cancel. You think you're safe because cooling off is supposed to be free, but insurers twist the rules with little deductions, and it stings even when you're trying to walk away. Inflation loading is another fee that quietly bumps up your premium each year. Even when inflation is flat, they still add it because it sounds legitimate. Most Aussies don't even know it exists, and it's one of the reasons premiums keep rising. Home insurance also hides an underinsurance penalty, reducing your payout if you didn't estimate your home value perfectly. Even small errors can cost you thousands. Families often learn this only after disaster strikes, and by then, it's too late. Travel insurance bundles, useless extras through confusing tick boxes. One click, and you've added luggage upgrades or cancellation add-ons you didn't need. The design pushes you into spending more, and most Aussies realize only after reading the receipt. Income protection policies also add an indexation fee that raises your premium yearly. It increases, even if your income doesn't. It's wrapped in fancy language so you won't question it, and many Aussies overpay for decades without noticing. Some companies even charge a temporary suspension fee when you pause your insurance. You're literally paying them to stop charging you. It's one of the most backwards fees ever invented, and it catches Aussies completely off guard. At the end of the day, the problem isn't insurance, it's the hidden traps behind it. These fees stack up quietly and can drain thousands before you even notice. That's why Aussies need to question every charge, compare every policy, and read the fine print, because the only person truly protecting your money is you.